In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Newegg order history, whether you've ordered PC parts, gadgets, or any other products from Newegg. Knowing how to locate your order history is extremely useful. It helps you keep track of past purchases, check the status of current orders, or even plan future upgrades based on your buying patterns. Let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Newegg's website at newegg.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you have your login credentials saved, that's great. If not, enter your email and password and you'll be all set. Your account is essential to track your order history, as this data is tied directly to your personal profile. Once logged in, take a glance at the top right corner of the web page. Here, you'll find your name, or in some cases, just a profile icon. Hover over this section without clicking, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to various account-related features. Now, this is where you'll access the order history section among other personal settings. Hovering over your name or profile icon ensures you see the full list of options available. In this drop-down menu, you'll see order history and you'll want to go ahead and click on it. This step will lead you directly to a detailed page displaying your past transactions. Each order will be listed clearly, typically including the date of purchase, the items ordered, and their respective statuses. This feature is incredibly beneficial for keeping track of your purchases, especially when you need to verify a purchase date, an item's warranty, or follow up on pending deliveries. And there you have it. You now know how to access your order history on Newegg effectively. This simple method lets you ensure all your orders are on track and manage your purchases with ease. Remember, this tool is underutilized by many, but can offer you significant insights into your buying habits, allowing you to make smarter decisions for future purchases. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now more confident navigating your way through your Newegg account. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tech tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!